All right, I want to start with some mental math. 5 to the third.
125.
Miss Buchari, everybody. Miss Buchari, everybody. Miss Buchari's got jokes.
5 to the 13th.
That is funny. Can you do it?
That's 5.
Oh, it already tells me. 5 to the third. Don't look. What is it? You looked.
Oh.
What part of don't look do you not? Okay. 5 to the second. 5 to the first. Oh my gosh, what happened? 5 to the first. 5 to the 0.
It's
5 to the negative 1. What is 0.2 as I want it as a fraction? 5 to the negative 2.
It's just a decimal version of whatever.
5 to the third. Or negative third, I meant. Negative third. 5 to the 0 is in between these two things. 5 to the 0.
How?
So it's not. So if you go, my mouse is being weird. If you go in between these two numbers, right? It should be, if this is going to be 5, this is going to be 1/5, right? In between would be 1. Okay. So anything raised to the 0 is what? 1. Give me a number. 4?
Yeah.
So 4 raised to the 0. 4 raised to the 0 is 1.
1 million.
1 million.
That's not a million. That's 4 million.
Okay. Anything raised to the 0 is 1.
How about even if it's negative?
Watch this. X raised to the 0 is 1. See what they did? They drew a line at what? 1. What if I put a 4 in front of this? What do you think it's going to be?
It's going to be like
Okay, so what does that equal?
1.
So let me go to the other calculator. Doo-doo-doo.
Well,
4 to no x. Let's see if it does this for me. X raised to the 0. Oh, it doesn't let me do it. I'm sorry. Oh. Wait for it. Okay, so I'm going to do this. E raised to the 0. 1. What if I put a 4 in front of it? What's it going to be? You don't even have to ask. And the sign says come in quietly, which is the opposite of what you did. Not to put you on blast. Have a good day, bud. So if I put a 4 in front of this, what's it going to be? 1, right? Why is it 4?
because
it's multiplying the number.
What is that 0 grabbing?
the E.
Just the E. It only grabs the thing next to it.
So then wouldn't it just be 4 times 1?
In a sense, it's 4 times 1. What do I have to do if I wanted to also grab the 4?
You have to put another 0. Or put parentheses.
I have to put it in print. If I put it in parentheses, now it's what? 1. Okay? So I could put anything in here and it's going to give me 1. Right? Good. Okay, so it's only can grab what's next to it. So this is going to be 1, where if I put something on the outside, it's going to be that, or if I don't have these parentheses, 54. Okay, so let's look at the actual paper notes. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So the rule right here is that x to the 0 is 1. 5 to the 0, 1. X to the 0, 1. Parentheses, 5x to the 6 raised to the 0, 1. 4x, oh, I forgot to write it. 4x to the 0, 4. Because that x is, or that 0 is only grabbing that x. We're going to get to a point where we're going to have to decide which rule to use first. Okay? So in some situations, it's kind of nice to just get rid of anything raised to the 0, just kind of becomes a 1. So what in this problem will become a 1? The whole top, that 0 is grabbing that whole top. So the whole top becomes a 1. What in the bottom becomes the 1? The x. So all that's left is the 8. So the answer to this is 1 over 8. That 0 can only grab the thing that's next to it. That's the notes for today. Yeah.
The moment it's not below, it's not below 30.